Let's make this simple palmnut soup. Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. And thank you so much if you've been watching me for some time now. I am so grateful. Like I said earlier, we are making palm nut soup. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my tuna and then red snappers. So I'm just going to clean it very well and then we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos. Now with this recipe you can use any protein of your choice. Okay, after cleaning it I left it in salt water. Now I have with me here my cow feet. I place it in the oven and this is how it has become. I'll just add it to my goat meat. I added blended pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and now I've added fresh tomatoes and onions. I'll go ahead and then add anything that will make the meat taste good, any seasoning of your choice, being salt or anything that you want to use. Okay, now it is on fire. We are just going to cook it very well. After cooking it, I'll just go ahead and add my palm nut puree that I allowed to stay for a while so that those particles can settle. And after, when I was pouring it, okay, I realized that I wasn't getting those particles, so I added some water to it, allow it to stay for a while again before pouring it. That's why you saw it twice. Okay, now the soup has been on fire for some time now and this is how it looks. I'm so sorry if I speak funny. I have cold. Okay, it has been on fire for some time now and it is doing very well. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't liked the video yet, can you please do so for me? It is absolutely free, but I'll be very grateful if you do that. Please share our videos to others and also leave me your comments in the comments section. Now, as that is still on fire, we are just going to prep the other ingredients that we are supposed to add to this soup. The soup is looking good now. I'll go ahead and then remove the vegetables that we added. Okay, so I'm removing them so that I can go and then blend. At this moment my fish is almost ready in the oven. Okay, I removed it from the salt water after 10-15 minutes and placed it in the oven, so it is almost ready. We'll be adding it to the soup very soon, but before that we are blending the vegetables so we can add it to the soup. This soup was absolutely delicious. Please follow us on YouTube, our tree channel. Okay, the name is Recipe Goddess. Now we are done blending everything. I've added it to the soup. I am just going to give it a stir and then we are good to go. When making your palm nut soup, you can decide to make it light or thick. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then add the fish because they are ready. So I've just added it to the soup and then allow the fish to release its juice as well, so the soup can taste very good. Give it a stir and just look at that. Oh my goodness, absolutely good. The soup was very watery, but after adding the blended vegetables, it became thick. So if you want it lighter than this, just add more water to it. you could see that I have a lot of oil on the surface. We will be scooping everything from it, but for now let's allow the soup to cook or boil very well. After some few minutes, this is how it looks. I decided to add some pepper because this soup is not spicy. Okay, you will not feel the pepper because not everyone likes pepper. So those who want to experience very hot pepper in the soup, they will be mashing the pepper in this when they fetch the soup. I added some okra to it as well, and for the okra we mash it in the soup when you fetch yours. Okay, like when you fetch yours, you pick some of the okra, you mash it in the soup, and that also helps you to enjoy any swallow that you are eating. Okay, not rice balls but maybe fufu or banku. I added some chopped onions or sliced onions. I didn't plan of adding that to it, but I didn't want it to be waste. I used it for some stew and some was left. Okay, now the soup looks good. I tasted for salt and it was perfect. I scooped some of the oil, added it to my stew that I prepared because we will be having fufu, but I don't eat fufu, so I decided to have some ampesi. Okay, please check my channel and you will love that recipe as well. It is basically boiled plantains with some spinach stew. Now our fufu is ready, our soup is ready. I just served this and oh my goodness, just look at that. I don't eat fufu, but at this moment I feel like eating some. Yes, it looks absolutely good. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Check my channel please for the fufu recipe. You will love that as well, and follow us on all social media platforms for your videos. Now I am done serving everything. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful, and please, I'm reminding you again, do not forget to subscribe and also leave us comment in the comment section. I will be very happy if you share the video to others. I will see you in the next one. Bye.